So it's officially been 1 year since we started Dinner and Aside.
And somehow we haven't burned down our kitchens or blocked each other yet.
We started this channel with a simple idea: to make dinner doable again. A main dish, a side dish, and a little sisterly banter in between.
It's been a year of skewers, salads, sizzling pans, and way too many dishes.
And more than a few outtakes that we probably should have edited out.
But really, this channel has been such a blast. We've had so much fun cooking, laughing, and sharing meals.
Every like, subscribe, comment, and "I made this and my family actually ate it" message means the world to us.
But the best part is connecting with all of you. So thank you for watching, for cooking along with us, and sticking around for the good, the burnt, and the ridiculous.
We've got so many fun ideas planned for year 2. New recipes, new themes, and maybe even a few surprises.
Like finally convincing Laura to wear an apron. It's gonna happen.
We'll see about that. But seriously, thanks for making year 1 such a joy. We're just getting started.
Here's to year 2 of Dinner and Aside. Cheers.